So, there are many brands on the market when it comes to action cameras, but isn't GoPro the first name that comes to mind? The Hero series always manages to take its place in this sector with its incredible quality. In this video, we will review the newest product of this series, the Hero 13. We'll take a step-by-step look at everything from price to innovations, from release date to rumors. Before we get started, if you're thinking of buying an action camera, I highly recommend you subscribe to Action Time. Without further ado, let's start the video with the release date.
First up, let's talk about the potential release date. GoPro has a pretty consistent track record when it comes to their release schedule. The Hero 10 launched in September 2021, the Hero 11 in September 2022, and the Hero 12 in September 2023. Following this pattern, we can confidently predict a September 2024 release for the Hero 13. Perfect timing for holiday shoppers looking for the latest action camera. Now, let's dive into the features we'd love to see in the GoPro Hero 13. To understand where the Hero 13 could go, we need to look at what the Hero 12 already offers. The Hero 12 boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor with 27 megapixels still resolution and HDR for both photos and videos. It can shoot stunning 5.3K video at 60 FPS with Hypersmooth 6.0 in-body image stabilization, ensuring silky smooth footage. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and is known for its rugged durability. However, it does have some downsides, like overheating issues and the lack of GPS functionality.
So, what can the Hero 13 improve on? First and foremost, we'd love to see the return of GPS functionality. It's a must-have for geotagging your adventures, without the hassle of manual post-processing. In terms of the sensor, we hope for an upgrade to a higher resolution, perhaps 40MP or more, to keep up with competitors like Insta360 and DJI. Video capabilities are another area where the Hero 13 can shine. We have the possibility to shoot 6K video at 60 FPS, or even 4K video at 240 FPS. If you remember, we saw this kind of upscaling in the previous Hero models. Low light performance is a common challenge for action cameras. With advancements in AI and digital post-processing, the Hero 13 could potentially offer AI-powered noise reduction and enhanced night sensitivity, setting a new standard for low-light action shots. Battery life and processing power are also crucial. An improved battery and a new GP3 processor could help address overheating issues and boost overall performance. Obviously, I think the battery side will improve further, but in terms of adequacy, there is already a package with 2 extra batteries. This may be enough for those who shoot long shots. Design-wise, the Hero 13 will likely retain the compact, durable form factor we know and love. However, an articulating screen could be a valuable addition, offering more flexibility for different shooting angles. Before we wrap up, let's tackle some FAQs about GoPro cameras. Is a GoPro better than a traditional camera? It depends on your needs. GoPros are compact, durable, and capable of high-resolution video and photos. They're great for action shots and outdoor adventures. However, traditional cameras offer larger sensors and more control, making them better for professional photography. As we wait for the official announcement of the GoPro Hero 13, there's a lot of speculation going around. But in this video, we take a look at the most realistic sounding and likely innovations and features. From potential release dates to hoped-for features, we can't wait to see how GoPro will continue to innovate the action camera market. Finally, if you're in the market for a new action camera, I highly recommend subscribing to the channel first. We try to help you make rational decisions going forward as much as we can on this channel. That's all for today, guys. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, take care.